If you're concerned about the health of your own kidneys or somebody else's, these 5 superfoods for kidney health should be on your grocery shopping list. Carrots and cucumber are a super powered-up duo. Combined, they support the kidneys in flushing out excess uric acid, known to cause kidney stones, support the kidneys in flushing out excess toxins, as well as load your body up with a mega dose of nutrients. The kidneys filter your blood, so if they're taxed or unable to function at full capacity, this can show up in the form of skin issues, like eczema or acne breakouts. Drink this combination of veggies for a cleansing effect on the kidneys and the skin, resulting in a glowing, beautiful complexion. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has been touted for years as supporting the urinary tract. Research shows that cranberries can help fight against urinary tract infections, possibly by decreasing the adhesion of bacteria to the bladder and urethra. Cranberries may also be helpful for cleansing the kidneys of excess calcium oxalate, one of the main contributors to kidney stones. When purchasing cranberry juice, always choose varieties that are certified organic and free of added sugars, preservatives, or artificial flavors, or get a juicer and make your own. Radishes are super detoxifiers for the liver and gallbladder and help the kidneys flush out excess toxins. They protect the body against infection, and they're antifungal and anti-inflammatory. Juicing radishes allows your body to absorb more of the nutrients than you would from eating them whole due to the volume it would take to eat radishes versus juicing them. If you suffer from kidney stones, drinking radish juice can help dissolve stones so you can pass them more quickly. Watermelon is 92% water by weight, which means that it will help your body to flush the kidneys, which can help to remove very small stones. It is also an amazing source of potassium, which is a mineral salt that can help to dissolve kidney stones, allowing the residue to be passed. Cauliflower. Another kidney-friendly superfood is cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable brings lots of vitamin C to your plate, along with folate and fiber. In addition, it contains compounds that help your liver neutralize toxic substances. Cauliflower can be eaten raw with dip or in salads. Steamed or boiled, it can be seasoned and turned into a great side dish. You can even mash cauliflower as a dialysis-friendly replacement for mashed potatoes.